Hello traders, welcome to my channel Binary Master. Today in this video I am going to take challenge $1,000 to $12,000 Susieing most profitable binary trading MT4 indicator. This indicator can analyze market movements technically with higher accuracy. This indicator catch very fast profitable price movement and gives you easy buy sell signals. This system easy to use, you can set up in only 5 minutes. If you use properly, this indicator gives you 99% accuracy. Today in this video I will take live challenge with my live account using this MT4 indicator. We also provide signal on Telegram channel. Join our Telegram channel for copy my trades, and don't forget to subscribe my channel or press the bell icon. Now let's start challenge using this indicator. Don't skip and watch the full video. Okay guys, here we got a sell signal. Let's place the trade and wait for results. Our trade will be a successful winning and profit add on live balance. Let's search another one. Here we got again a sell signal. Let's place the trade and wait for results. Our trade also a winning trade. Let's search another opportunity. Here we got again sell signal. Let's take the trade and wait for results. Again, we are a winning trade. Let's search another opportunity. Here we got a buy signal. Let's take the trade and wait for results. Again, we are successful winning trade on fourth signal. Hope you enjoy the video. If you want this indicator, contact us on Telegram. See you next video.